A cold.
Hi, it's Dongdong. I'm very sick because I have a cold. The other day, suddenly, it showered. I was so excited, I played under the shower. The sky had a big hole in it. It rained cats and dogs. Mong Mong said, "You might catch a cold." Next day, I couldn't get up from my bed.
Cleaning.
Hello, Dongdong is neat and tidy. Today I'm cleaning up my house. Dust, dust, dust. On the window, on the sofa, and on the TV. I'm Tidy Dongdong. I'm cleaning up my house. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Under the desk, under the table, and under the sofa. Wipe, wipe, wipe. On the table, here and there, every nook and corner. Wash the windows. The windows in the bedroom, in the living room, and in the bathroom. I'm Tidy Dongdong. I'm cleaning up my house.
Washing clothes.
Hi, it's Dongdong again. Today I'm going to wash clothes. Put the laundry in the washing machine. Put the detergent in it. Clatter, clatter, the sound of the cleaning laundry. Clatter, clatter, the sound of finishing washing. I'm washing clothes. I'm putting on clean clothes. Oh, my clean t-shirt. Oh, my clean pants. Oh, my clean cap. Oh, my clean socks. I'm washing clothes. I'm putting on clean clothes.